Hello everyone. In this episode, we will discuss the differences between a database, data warehouse, and data lake and try to understand the data storage ecosystem. So now let us proceed with the video.
Okay, let's unpack this. Many of us hear terms like database, data
Not
warehouse,
data lake.
data lake thrown around, especially in tech circles. And you might think, are they just different names for the same thing?
Or maybe, why do we even need all three? It can sound a bit confusing.
Right. So today, we're going to cut through that common confusion. Our mission is really to show why these aren't just distinct ideas, but they're, well, fundamentally symbiotic.
Exactly. Each one plays a really critical, you could say, non-negotiable role in our, data-driven world. And what's fascinating here, I think, is how this kind of tiered approach underpins pretty much every digital interaction you have.
Oh, definitely. Like checking your bank balance.
Yeah, or scrolling social media, getting those personalized recommendations online. Understanding these distinctions really gives you, the listener, a powerful insight into the sort of hidden architecture of modern information management.
It unlocks a deeper appreciation for how data fuels, well, everything nowadays. Innovation. So let's dive in. Where should we start? Maybe the most familiar one.
The database. Good idea. Let's start there. Think of a database as like the meticulous daily ledger.
The digital filing cabinet, right, for operational need.
Exactly. It's built for speed, for precision, handling real-time read and write transactions.
Like when you place an online order, perhaps.
Yeah, or checking inventory levels in a store, that kind of immediate task.
And the data itself, it's mostly structured, isn't it? Rows and columns.
Almost exclusively structured, yeah. Think spreadsheets. It uses a strict schema-on-write approach.
Meaning you have to define the structure before you put the data in.
Precisely. That's what guarantees that lightning-fast, consistent access for those everyday tasks.
Gotcha. Like the analogy you mentioned earlier, your school register, perfect for checking daily attendance.
That's it. MySQL, Oracle database, those are some classic examples.
Okay, but here's a question then. If databases are so good at these fast, structured operations, why can't we just, I don't know, scale one up for all our long-term reporting? What's stopping us?
That's an excellent question. And it leads us right to the next concept. While databases are fantastic for those immediate transactions, they really start to creak, let's say, under the weight of complex analysis, especially historical analysis.
Right, like trying to spot long-term trends by digging through years and years of daily records.
Exactly. It's just incredibly inefficient for that purpose.
Yeah.
And that's precisely where the data warehouse steps in.
Okay, so the data warehouse is different.
It pulls cleaned, structured data, often from multiple different databases or other sources.
Multiple sources, okay, and clean data.
Yeah, clean. Then it organizes that data specifically for strategic analysis and reporting, big picture stuff.
So crucially, it's not used for the day-to-day operations.
Definitely not. It's all about generating those strategic insights for decision making.
And this clean data you mentioned, that sounds important. Why is cleaning so vital? What does that involve?
Well, the cleaning process, often called ETL, that's extract, transform, load, can be pretty painstaking. You're reconciling inconsistencies, maybe different formats, ensuring data quality across all those sources.
I can see why that's non-negotiable for strategic decisions. You need reliable data.
Absolutely. A data warehouse, going back to the school analogy, is like the annual report card.
Yeah, okay. It takes marks from different teachers, different subjects.
Synthesizes them into a unified, reliable overview of performance, designed purely for analysis, not for daily updates.
Yeah, makes sense. And examples there, you hear about things like Amazon
Redshift, Google BigQuery, those are major players in the data warehouse space.
Okay, so we've got the precise daily ledger, the database, and the polished annual report, the data warehouse. But what if you want to store, well, everything, even the messy stuff, the raw data that doesn't fit a neat structure yet, maybe data you don't even know how you'll use?
Now you're talking about the data lake. That's its whole purpose. It's essentially a massive storage system designed to hold all kinds of data.
All kinds. So structured.
Structured, yes, but also semi-structured, like JSON files, XML, and totally unstructured data.
Like images, videos, documents, machine logs.
Exactly, anything and everything.
And the key difference is it takes the data raw, no cleaning first.
That's the core concept. It stores raw data in its original format. We call this schema on read.
Schema on read. Okay, so unlike the database's schema on write.
Right. With a data lake, you decide how to structure and interpret the data when you query it, when you need it, not when you first store it.
Wow. Okay. That sounds like it opens up huge possibilities for future analysis, maybe stuff you can't even predict now.
Immense possibilities. Think about storing years of, say, social media posts or sensor data from IoT devices. It just sits there, raw, waiting for the next AI breakthrough or a new analytical question.
It's like that scientific archive idea. Collect every sample raw, even if you don't know the test yet. But what are the challenges with that? Surely it's not all easy.
The main challenge is often finding what you need. It can be like searching for a needle in a haystack if you're not careful.
So managing it, knowing what's in there.
Exactly. Robust metadata management becomes absolutely crucial, but the trade-off, that exploratory power, is often worth it.
So the analogy for the lake.
It's like a big natural lake, right? You can put anything in it, clean water, muddy water, even old bottles.
Okay.
Later, when you need water for a specific purpose, you filter that water as needed. Hadoop used to be the big name. Now, cloud storage, like Amazon S3, is huge for data lakes.
This raises that important question then.
No,
How do these three actually work together? Because it sounds like they don't replace each other.
not at all. They are truly complementary. They form an ecosystem.
Okay, so quick summary, purpose-wise.
Database for daily operations, real-time stuff. Data warehouse for cleaned-up reporting and analysis, looking back. Data lake for storing absolutely everything raw for future potential.
And data types?
Database, structured only. Data warehouse, structured but clean and integrated. Data lake, structured, semi-structured, unstructured, the works.
And size-wise, I assume they scale up.
Generally, yeah. Databases small to medium, warehouses medium to large, and data lakes can be, well, massive, very large.
So what does this all mean? It's not about picking one over the others.
Not usually, no. They often work in concert. Databases handle the everyday flow. Data warehouses help us understand past performance and make informed decisions.
And data lakes preserve everything, all that raw potential for future exploration, maybe feeding AI models.
Precisely. Together, they really form the backbone of modern data science and AI. It's a sophisticated interplay.
So for you, the listener, maybe consider this next time you use an app or a service.
Yeah, think about which of these powerhouses might be working behind the scenes. A database for your immediate action, a warehouse figuring out recommendations, a lake storing vast amounts of interaction data,
How many layers of this data sophistication are quietly enabling your digital life?
and maybe a final thought. What might a data lake of your own personal data fitness tracking, browsing, photo, what might that reveal about you if you could explore it without those predefined limits? Food for thought.
I kindly request you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and please like and share our content. You can also show your support by clicking the thanks button below the video. Thank you.